Almighty Allah, the most merciful, entirely merciful, and specially merciful. Hope that guys, all of you will be fine and stay away from coronavirus. Before starting our new lesson, I have to tell you something that's very important. Just you have to stay away from crowded places and observe the hygiene. This my notice for you guys. You have to stay at home. Don't go around the city. Just stay at home.
Okay, dear students, welcome back again to your next session of your grammar. Today we are going to discuss about new category, new title, that is what? That is called, we can say that adverbs of degree. And that today we are going to discuss about this issue that we've been discussed about adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of certainty, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner. But today we are going to discuss about different category of adverb that is called adverbs of degree. Okay, we have discussed about adverbs of time, that what is adverb of time. We also discussed about adverb of frequency, adverbs of certainty, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of. But today we are going to discuss about the new thing. We also discuss about adverbs of manner, but today we're going to talk about adverbs of degrees, that how we gonna degree, how we gonna stand our words in a degree position. Okay, now let's start by its definition, that what is the definition of adverbs of degrees. Okay, adverbs of degree are used to indicate the intensity. The intensity means what? The strongness, degree, or extent of the verb, adjective or adverb. Or we can say that they are modifying, they always appear before the adjectives, verb, or the other adverbs. Again, I'm going to define this one, that what is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree to indicate the intensity. Intensity means we can say that multiplicity or intention or exuberance. Exuberance of degree, or we can say or extent of the verb. Adjective or adverb, they're modifying, they always appear before the adjectives, verb, or other adverbs. Okay, now we have to say that adverbs of degree can be mild, medium, strong, or absolute. What is the meaning of mild here? Mild here means gentle or moderate, or we can say the temperate, or compassionate. This is the meaning of mild. But in adverbs of degree, it means that gentle. How we gonna moderate? We can also say that medium is you know this one, strong or absolute. Absolute here means unlimited. How we gonna use these words to the unlimited or to the limited? Okay, now we have examples here. Just you have to write them down in your notebook, because these examples are very important, and you can write more examples about adverbs of degrees. Okay, he undoubtedly stole the money. Undoubtedly here we can this is non-grading. We can grade this word. It's absolute. We can also say that this is what? This is absolute. Or we can grade them in absolute. Here we have mild, medium, strong, or absolute. But this word undoubtedly relate or stand to what? To absolute word. Stole the money. It's absolutely freezing outside. That we can't. This is unlimited. That we can't grade to this. That absolutely. How we gonna grade this one? We can't grade this one, because this is relate to what? This word is also absolute. This is non-grading. This is what? Non-grading. But here we have I really love her. It's strong. This we can grade this one, that it's stand to what? Strong. That it's a strong feeling. That it means that I really love her. Here we have we have lots of examples. Just you can write more examples about adverbs of degrees, that how we gonna categorize them in grades. Degree means that how we gonna categorize our sentences, our words in different grades. Now we got this, that what is adverbs of degrees, what is the definition of adverbs of degree, and what are the degree that can be mild, medium, strong, or absolute, on what are the examples. We've discussed about adverbs of degree. Just your students, you should write them down in your notebook. You should try hard. You should write more examples about adverbs of degrees. If you want to learn more, just you have to write more examples, practice more with yourself. This is the way that you can learn grammar in easy way. If you don't work hard, if you don't practice with yourself, you can catch all of these things. If you want to learn all these things, you have to try them in possible ways, guys. Okay, dear students, welcome back, all of you, for words for your daily routine. These words are very important in your daily routine, in your daily activities. You have to use it in your daily activities, guys. Okay, now we are going to start our vocabulary by the title of words for telephone. Now, as we know that telephone or mobile users getting increased day to day, or we can say that telephone or mobile users are too much, or we can say that increased in this era, that we can use telephone vocabularies to just how we gonna use telephone vocabulary, how we gonna use mobile vocabulary in this session. Today we are going to talk about, or we can say describing about these words, that how we gonna use telephone words or telephone vocabulary in this session. Okay, now we're going to start by the first word. Just what is that? Receiver or handset. Receiver or handset. Receiver or handset. Cord, cord, cord. Phone jack, phone jack, phone jack. Phone line, phone line, phone line. Keypad, keypad, keypad. Starkey, starkey, starkey. Pound key, pound key, pound key. Antenna, antenna, antenna. Strong signal, strong signal, strong signal. This is not strong signal, this is wrong. Strong signal, strong signal. Weak signal, weak signal. Cordless phone, cordless phone, cordless phone. TDD stand for telecommunication device for deaf. Telecommunication device for deafs. Smartphone, smartphone, smartphone. Text message, text message. Voice change, voice change, voice change. Okay, that's finished, guys. Hope that you enjoy from today's word. Hope that you have catch my lessons carefully. Just while I'm reading, while I'm pronouncing, guys, don't look over. Just you have to take a note with yourself. Take a note or take a notebook with yourself. You have to write them. You have to write them in your notebooks. After that, you can write them for several times. After that, you can keep these words in your minds. After that, when you can't do like this, you didn't memorize all these words. You have to make a schedule for yourself. I have to memorize this word today, or this word today, or this word today. Just you have to make a schedule for your own self don't make mistake here. Just while I'm reading, focus on your pronunciation, focus on your writing, focus on your spelling rules. Don't forget, spelling rules is also very important. When you write wrong, after you can't someone can't be understand what you have wrote for them. Okay, just hope that you have catch my lessons for today's lesson.
Okay, dear honorable students, hope that you have catch my lessons. And one thing I should tell you, dear honorable student, that read your lessons carefully and try to work with yourself and practice with yourself. If you do not